Happy Friday, everyone. This is Big Sky Crypto. Hope you guys are all doing great. I know I am. It's been a long week, and just glad the weekend's here. This is my first video. Hope you guys like it. I'm hoping to do a lot more. Probably tell you a little about me first. I've been involved in the stock market probably 10 plus years, mostly as a long-term investor, and the last 6 months got more involved in day trading, which I really like. Not real good at it yet, but I'm making progress, so that's good. Got into cryptos probably 6 months ago when I bought my first, bought some Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin to start off with. First became aware of them, cryptos probably, I don't know, probably 2 years ago, and became aware of Bitcoin. Didn't buy any, which I really regret now. Forgot about it, and then back beginning of this year, checked on it again, saw the price, and that's when I first became aware of Ethereum. And I think it was probably February, end of February maybe. And I think Ethereum was maybe $12, $15, something like that. And once again, I didn't buy any, which I really regret now. So it was probably May when I finally decided to jump in and learn what I had to buy cryptos and store them. So I bought some Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, and since then I've been hooked, buying all kinds. Kind of gotten a little carried away. So I've been trying to concentrate more on the probably the top 10 by market cap. So that's about it as far as that goes. Proud member of Team Joey Rocket. I'll have a link below to his YouTube page. This is it right here. Great guy. I've learned a ton being part of the team. There's a Discord channel. Actually, he has 2 Discord channels, and then his YouTube page. Bunch of the members do videos, and that's kind of what inspired me to jump in and give it a shot. You know, like I said, I've learned a ton being part of the team. You know, Joey's willing to help you out any way you can. He's always giving back to the community, so I'm proud to be part of that team. I guess maybe take a quick look at the markets. I've got 3 charts up here. First one's Bitcoin. Looking pretty good. I've got, you see this green band that I've drawn in around the $4,000 area. That's my support area that I've drawn in. And chart's looking pretty good. It's in a pretty nice uptrend. It's been bouncing around the 4,200 area. It jumped through and then failed and came back down and bounced back off 4,000 again, which is nice. Now it's back up. Tried to get through 4,200 again and failed. Today it's been mostly sideways, but it's not looking too bad. Hopefully it can break back through 4,200 and stay. I kind of like this price action better than if it just would have, you know, skyrocketed up to 5,000 again like it did before. That was just, you know, too much, too fast. You know, you can't sustain that. So I kind of like this price action. I wouldn't mind if it just kind of hangs around here and slowly makes its way higher. I'd rather see that than huge increases. I've got this upper band that I drew in. This red band is kind of what I see as resistance, just in the like 4360 to 4400, kind of that area. Probably where it'll hit some more resistance. So that's about it on BTC. I think it's looking good. Ethereum, not too bad also. It's it's in an uptrend. It's making higher lows and higher highs, so it's not looking too bad. Kind of the same thing. It looks pretty similar to Bitcoin. So I'm pretty happy with that. Just I'd like to just see it the same thing, just slowly work its way back up. And Litecoin, a little more sideways on Litecoin, which is fine. It's holding right around the $50 area. Back here, we had this period here where it was sideways for quite a while, also probably about a month before it really took off. So we may be in something similar to that, where it's just gonna go sideways for a while and then slowly climb, which I'm fine with. And so I guess that's about it on the markets. Could look at some news. I just saw this where South Korean regulator issued a ban on ICOs. So this follows China banning the ICOs. I think it's something probably going to see more of, which I don't think is necessarily a bad thing. The ICOs, some of them, it's kind of gotten out of control, a lot of scams. So I think some regulation is fine, to just keep it somewhat under control. Probably going to see some of that here in the U.S. eventually. Sooner or later, they're going to probably follow suit and, crack down on the ICOs. Hopefully, we won't see any amount of over-regulation. That's what I'm afraid of. Really screw the market up. This is my new website I've been working on. It's still a work in progress, but something just I've been playing with for a while. I've got a blog section where I post blogs I write on random subjects, pretty much all about cryptocurrencies. Got another section here for news links on cryptocurrencies. The blog section, I've got a variety of blogs just on my random thoughts. Got a bunch in here on BitConnect, which I'm really involved in. I've got a couple of them here on my thoughts on Jamie Dimon coming out attacking Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, which he's been doing for a while. My view is he's pretty worried. He knows what a threat cryptocurrencies are. If they ever saw mass adoption, it would definitely hurt JP Morgan's revenue. So he's going to do whatever he can to discredit them. Whether it's use his influence to push for government regulation, whatever, he's going to do whatever he can to prevent cryptocurrencies from becoming mainstream. So that's about it on the website. I'm a big believer in passive income. I think it's beneficial to create as many income streams as possible, other than if you have a job. The more income streams you can add, the better. I'm involved in BitConnect. That's probably the main one I'm involved in right now. I've been in BitConnect probably a month and a half, something like that, and started out slow just to check it out, but I've been impressed with it. I like it. It might not be for everybody, but probably it's averaging around 1% a day, which is a heck of a lot better than you'll get anywhere else. A bank doesn't pay anywhere near that, and I think it's going to be around for quite a while. I know there's some people think it's a scam, but BitConnect, I don't particularly think it is. I'm willing to, risk some capital and give it a try. So far, I love it, and I'm just recently invested some more, and I'm looking probably in the near future I'm gonna put even more into it. I'll have a link below if anybody is interested in learning more about BitConnect or want to use my referral code. Feel free to. I'm also involved in, I was in Control Finance. Unfortunately, that didn't work out too good. Luckily, it was a very small investment. So that one didn't work out good. I'm involved in USI Tech also, which I have just a real small investment in that one. It seems okay. I'm getting payouts. The only thing I don't really like about it is when I need to transfer money out of it, they don't allow you to transfer directly into a Bitcoin wallet or to a Bitcoin address. You have to use Payza, which I use, and the other one, there's only two options. The other one is to pay for you or for pay to you or something like that. But that's the only two options you have to move your money out. And I've had issues trying to move the money out. I've moved some out, but generally when I do it, each time I do it, I have issues doing it. So not real thrilled with USI Tech. Probably not I'm gonna leave what I have in there and just let it earn whatever it does, but I'm probably not gonna up my investment there. I'm also in Regal Coin, Genesis Mining, which I've been in maybe a month. And that seems okay. I don't have a big investment in Genesis Mining. I'm just kind of feeling it out. I don't know, just to see what the payouts are like and if it's worth, if I'm gonna even get my money back out of it. So that one, it's kind of a wait and see. I may invest more. I'll wait a couple months and see how the payouts look. Regal Coin, I have a real small investment in Regal Coin, which is real new. So not sure how that's gonna work out, but I'm willing to try, various ones and just see what happens. I'm sure they won't all work out. BitConnect, I'm real confident in. I'm willing to go in pretty heavy on that. I think it'll be around for a while, and as long as it pays around 1% a day, that's fantastic. So that's about it as far as passive income. So I guess that's it for my first video. Can't think of anything else I want to talk about right now. May do another one tomorrow, just check on the market, see how Bitcoin's doing tomorrow, see if we get a sell off or if it manages to get above 4,200. Seems like the weekends typically you get sell offs, but tonight it doesn't look too bad. It's still holding right up around 4,200. So may do another video tomorrow and just see how it's doing. Hope you guys like this. I hope to do a lot more of them, and everybody take care. Later.